explorers, welcome to our fun adventure with numbers. Today we're learning about before and after numbers on a number line. Are you ready to jump into this number journey with me? Great, let's get started. This is a number line. It helps us see numbers in order from smallest to biggest. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great counting! Now here's a fun secret. Numbers on this line can help us find what comes before and what comes after. Let's discover how. Let's learn about before. When we say a number comes before, we need to move backward on the number line. Imagine you're taking a step back. Look at this number. It's 5. What number is before 5? That's right, it's 4. You took one step backward on the number line. Let's do another one. What number is before 8? Awesome! It's 7. Now let's learn about after. When we say a number comes after, we need to move forward on the number line, just like taking a step forward. Now, look at this number. It's 3. What number is after 3? Correct, it's 4. You moved forward one step. Let's try one more. Now, what's the number after 6? Yes, it's 7. Wow, you are math stars. Your turn. Shout out the answers when you know them. What's the number before 9? Good job, it's 8. What's the number after 2? Excellent, it's 3. What's the number before 7? Super work, it's 6. You are number champions. You did amazing today, friends. Now you know all about before and after numbers by moving forward and backward on the number line. Keep practicing and exploring numbers because learning is always fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye bye.